In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on PayPal using your phone. This works both on mobile browsers and the PayPal app, but I recommend using your browser for easier navigation. First, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the Recent Activities section on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your transactions. If you don't see the one you need, tap Show More to reveal the full list. Next, select the transaction you want a refund for and tap to expand it. You'll see details about the payment, including options to contact the seller. If the payment was sent using goods and services, you're eligible to request a refund, but if it was sent as friends and family, PayPal won't intervene unless the recipient voluntarily agrees to return the money. Start by messaging the seller to try to resolve the issue directly. If that doesn't work, scroll down and tap Report a Problem. This will take you to a page where you can choose the most relevant reason for your refund request, such as an item not received, a broken product, or a service issue. After selecting the issue, follow the steps PayPal guides you through, adding details about the items or services you're requesting a refund for. PayPal will review your case and decide if you qualify for a refund. Keep in mind that there's no guarantee you'll get your money back, as each case is assessed individually. Once everything is submitted, you should receive updates from PayPal regarding your refund request. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below